Hey wordsmiths, let me introduce you to a spectacular new word. It's, oh dear. There's been an incident. This manatee has taken several bites out of the word spectacular. Well, fine. We are nothing if not flexible here at Khan Academy, so let us instead pivot to the word incident itself. Incident. It's a noun. It means an unforeseen and usually bad thing that happens, like a manatee taking several bites out of my vocabulary word. Thanks, pal. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but hey, at least I can be the bearer of good word origins, huh? Come on. Incident comes from the Latin incidere, which means to fall upon or to happen, and we can break that into two parts. In, which means in or on, and sidere, which means to fall. So an incident is an event that fell upon you or happened. Now, normally this is the part of the video where I ask you to come up with some similar sounding words, and we will get to that, but I wanted to head off some confusion. Sidere is different from sidere, which means to kill, and shows up in words like homicide or pesticide, right? To killing a person or killing pests, killing a bug. Different words. So when we look for words that share a root with incident, they'll typically be pronounced sid instead of side. Anyway, let's do the thing. You've got 10 seconds to come up with words that use the prefix in or the root sid. I'll put on some music. Here are some words I came up with. Accident, a chance happening, an unexpected mistake. Coincidence, right, which is when two or more things happen at once without having been planned. Coincident, things happening together. And inspect, which is to look at something carefully. Looking in. Let's use incident in a sentence, because I think that'll get across its bad news connotation. Sadly, the incident in the library destroyed all the books. It was a bummer to lose all those books. An unfortunate thing happened. Incident can also sometimes be a euphemism, a way of saying something ugly happened without having to name it. Note that I'm saying the incident and not the fire or the horrific cotton candy machine malfunction. This would, as it happens, also be really bad for all the books. Okay, wordsmiths, I have to go. There's been an incident. I think the manatee's back, and it's still hungry. I'll catch you all next time. You can learn anything, David out!